Morning. Today we have to discuss about relational operators in C. What is the meaning of this relational operator is to check the relation between two different entities. The entities may be a value or may be a variable. Like this, if you write 90 greater than 100, 100% this expression is not true. So we can expect a Boolean value, and Boolean means either true or false. But in C, we will get 1 for true expression and 0 for false expression, because Boolean is controlled by a value in the environment of C. That is, if the expression is true, it will return 1. If it is false, it will return 0. Like this, if you want, you can work with variables also. Like this, if I write num1 greater than num2, again we will expect a Boolean value. Boolean means again true and false, but it will return 0 or 1. Okay, and it will depend on the value of num1 and num2. So first we have to discuss how many relational operators we can use in the environment of C. The first one is greater than. The second one is less than. The third one is greater than equal to. The fourth one is less than equal to. And the next one is equal to and not equal to. Okay. On the basis of these relational operator, I want to write a program in dev++. Actually, I am using this dev C++ as the compiler, but if you want, you can run this program on any compiler what you want, and you can expect the same output what we are going to get today in this tutorial only. So what is the first line? In my previous lecture already we have discussed that how to write a program in C. So the first is studio.h, that is the header file that we have already discussed. So int main, and what I want to declare two variables. First is num1 and second is num2. Also I want to assign some values. Num1 equal to, maybe it is 90, and num2 it is maybe 100. Now I want to add some statement, and I want to write this first statement as printf and this double quotation mark %d and /n. Why I am using this %d? Because just we have discussed that when we use this Boolean expression or relational expression, we will expect true and false, but the environment of C always returns a integer value. That's why I am using this %d. So here I can write num1 and greater than num2. I want to execute this program, but before that we should save it, and I want to save it in my convenient location. You can also save it in your convenient location, p1.c, because we are using this environment as C++. That's why I am giving this extension. Otherwise the extension will be p1.cpp, which indicates that this file belongs to C++. That's why I am using p1.c. Now I want to execute this program. First compile. If you see error is 0, warning is 0, it means it is ready for execution. If you run it, you will get 0. Why 0? Actually, why 0? Because as soon as you see this value, num1 is 90 and num2 is 100, it is the false expression, and for false we can expect this 0 not as a false. So now I want to add some more statement in the same program. For this I want to copy it, so that just I want to paste, and I want to change the value. Here I want to write num1 and like this, less than, equal to. Here I am using this num2 greater than, equal to 85. Again I can write this num1 not equal to 78. Actually just I want to show you the different permutation and combination, that how I can use it. For this I am writing here, if I write num2 is equal to, maybe I can say this equal to 65. Again, if I write num1 equal to 45 single equal, actually I am writing it intentionally. Then again control B, so that I can paste it, and now if I check num equal to and it is 100, or sorry, I can write 90. Okay, 90. Then again if I write, that is not equal to, and what is the original value? Original value is 90. So I want to execute it. But before the execution, I want to discuss one point, that is num1 equal to 45 and num2 equal to 65. There is a difference between these two expressions, because when we write a single equal to sign, it will always assign the value. It means now the value of num1 becomes 45, but here the system will check the value of num2 whether it is 65 or not. If it is 65, you will get 1, otherwise you will get 0. But here 45, and from this point the current value of num1 will be changed, and from this point the system will consider the value of num1 as 45, not as 90. Okay, so I want to execute it. There is no any error again, so go here and run, and I can relate my output with my statement. The first is num1 greater than num2. It is false because the value of num1 is 90, the value of num2 is 100. That's why I am getting 0 here. Num1 less than equal to num2, it means again 1. Why 1? Because it is true expression. Num2 greater than equal to 85, it is true. Again 1. Num1 not equal to 78, it is again 1, because the value of num1 is 90, not 78. That's why you are getting 1. Then num2 equal to 65, false expression. Why? Because the value of num2 is 100. So you will get here false 0. But here num1 equal to 45, just we have discussed that when we write single equal to sign, it means we want to assign the value, not to check the value. Num1 equal to 90, again it is false now. Why? Because now the value of num1 becomes 45, but we are checking 90, so we are going to get 0. And num1 not equal to 90, this is now true. Why? Because the value of num1 is 45, not 90. Okay. So this is the nature and character of relational operator in C. In my next tutorial, we will discuss about the logical operator. Thank you very much for attending the class, and it is again my request that please try to execute all the program by yourself only in any compiler. I am telling you, in any compiler you can use it and you can expect the same output. If you want, you can note down the output also, so that you can relate the output from here to your output and try to get the crystal clear concept. Thank you very much.